Hi everybody, hope you enjoyed that Swamp Thing video. This is my first unboxing video ever, so I'm kind of nervous. My good friend Cryptic Cowboy sent me something. So,
let's get to it. Let's see what it is.
What Mom said. This is my honest to goodness response. If you sent me Beats and shoes and a box of lint, you'll know how much it sucks. But I don't think he sent me a box of lint. Please don't let it be a box of lint. Please don't let
Well, let's see what it is.
Alright. Mom already cut the thing open. Hang on, do you want me to remove the thing so they don't see my last name? The mysterious face of the creature known as Hellbob from the 4th dimension.
Let's see.
Right there. Cryptic captured it for me. Next Halloween special, everybody. Did he send me two? Is that two of the same thing?
I don't know. Gotta open it up and find out.
Here, take the mouse. Thank you. It smells nice. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is his hand. They had to put that in a separate box.
What's the other thing?
And this is his face.
Let's see it. Take it out of the thing.
What's this? Okay. The face.
Oh.
Or perhaps it could be the true face of Bob Mike. It's up to you. You'll find out in the next Halloween special.
What's that?
What's it say?
Turn it around. I can't see. Well, our
Again,
team.
What's it say?
Our
team. Thank you, Cryptic.
Okay, put it on.
And, let's see.
There's more?
Is there?
No, I don't think so. I think that's it, Bob. That's it.
I'm sorry I appeared so greedy. I'm really excited. Anyway, our team. Thumbs up, everybody!